Привет! Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Natasha and I'm here to help you to learn the Russian language and to know more about the Russian culture and mentality. Давайте начнем. I hope you are not hungry because today we are talking about food. Еда. For your convenience, I've divided all the words into several categories, into 3 categories to be precise. Фрукты и овощи, десерты и остальные продукты. We will start with the last category because the last category is the biggest one. So, let's start. Хлеб. Хлеб. B we pronounce like P at the end. Хлеб. Масло. Масло. Unstressed O is A. Масло. Pay attention. This one is сливочное масло and this one is растительное масло. For example, растительное масло can be подсолнечное масло or оливковое масло. Let's continue. Яйцо, plural, яйца, яйцо, яйца, сыр, your favorite sound ы, сыр, сосиска, сосиска, plural, сосиски, колбаса, колбаса. Now you probably have a question. What's the difference between сосиска and колбаса? Сосиски need to be boiled before eating or maybe fried. Каша. Каша. I think in Russia the most popular kasha is овсяная каша. The next one. Хлопья. Хлопья. We can also call such a product as сухой завтрак, dry breakfast, because we usually need to add milk, yogurt, or maybe kefir. Let's continue. Рис. Рис. R is soft here. The next one. Гречка. Гречка. But in St. Petersburg, people will say греча. Греча. I personally love buckwheat. Have you ever tried it? The next word. Pasta. Pasta. But people will usually use the word макароны. Макароны. The next word is really easy. Йогурт. Йогурт. Блины. Блины. By the way, in Russia, блины should be thin. If they are thick, they are already American pancakes. Американские блинчики. What can we eat pancakes with? Мед. Мед. Варенье. The word варенье is derived from the verb варить, to cook, to boil. Because we are actually boiling fruits and, not vegetables, fruits and berries with sugar. Варенье. The next word is мясо. Мясо, or without stress, is a. Мясо. And the last one is, not the last one. And the next one is морепродукты. Морепродукты. Well, and when we cook something, we need сахар, соль, перец. Сахар, соль, перец. I know it can be difficult to memorize a lot of new words and phrases, but don't worry, you just need to practice. And one of the most popular ways to practice your new words and phrases is to use flashcards. And here I'm excited to announce that my channel has its first sponsor. Learn Russian Flashed is an iPhone app for learning and practicing Russian words and phrases. It includes all the words and phrases that we have today in this lesson and also a lot of other words and phrases related to every sphere of our everyday life. The app is free to download and you can use the code RUSNOW to get 2 months free of the Flashed Pro subscription, where you have access to all the words and phrases and also you have an ability to create your own cards. Thank you once again, my first sponsor, and let's continue this lesson. Фрукты и овощи. Яблоко. Яблоко. Plural. Яблоки. Апельсин. Апельсин. Киви. Киви. Виноград. Виноград. Картофель. Картофель. Or картошка. Картошка. Помидор. Помидор. Или томат. Томат. Огурец. Огурец. Множественное число, plural. Огурцы. Огурцы. Морковь. Морковь. Морковь, она. Feminine. Гриб. Гриб. B. At the end of the word we pronounce like P. Гриб. Гриб. Лук. Лук. Pay attention. Это репчатый лук. Это зеленый лук. When we say перец, we can think of this перец. That's why this one we call болгарский перец. Болгарский перец. Also, this one we call перец чили. Перец чили. Let's continue. Капуста. Капуста. Это цветная капуста. Цветная капуста. Это брюссельская капуста. Брюссельская капуста. The next vegetable is свекла. Свекла. This vegetable makes борщ red. The next one. Салат. Салат. Salad can be either a dish or a vegetable. So, this is salad and this is also salad. And the last category, десерты. Десерты. Десерт, десерты. Let's start with the easiest one. Торт. Торт. A small торт, маленький торт, we call пирожное. Пирожное. The next one. Пирожок. 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 Пироги. Пирожок is a dough with meat or vegetables or berries inside. And the last one. Мороженое. Мороженое. Pay attention. This is a noun but has a form of an adjective. So we will change it like an adjective. Don't forget to practice new words. Write in the comments what food you love or what food you hate. Don't forget to do it in Russian. And thank you for watching this video till the end. If you liked it, please support me with your likes. And if you want to see more lessons from me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Увидимся. Пока-пока.